Hello, my name is Anson Lundstrom and I will be helping you to clarify the difference between Google Slides and PowerPoint Online for building a presentation. Specifically, I will be discussing an area where Google Slides has an advantage over PowerPoint Online in terms of usability and provides a preferable experience to a novice user. Users of these forms of software depend mainly on how intuitive they are to complete within a few clicks and without having to navigate to an arbitrary location. By the end of this slidecast, you should understand the steps required to complete this task and then make your own informed decision about which format is most usable for you. After completing this usability test for 10 tasks, the task of adding speaker notes was selected. To begin, we'll run the test in Google Slides and open a blank presentation. Once you've selected your theme, you're brought to the main window. If you navigate to the bottom of the screen, you can see the text, click to add speaker notes. From here, users can easily input any notes they wish to have during the presentation that will not be usable to the audience. Hiding the notes is likewise very intuitive. The user simply drags the speaker notes box towards the bottom of the page. Expanding notes again is completed in a similar fashion by grabbing the bottom of the screen with a mouse click and hold and dragging upwards, enlarging the window. There is a lack of visual cues for the latter task, but it can still easily be completed. In comparison, when launching a blank presentation in PowerPoint, it can be noted that the speaker notes window does not automatically launch as it did in Google Slides. Seemingly to compensate for this, PowerPoint has two different ways to open the window and add speaker notes. First, by navigating to the View tab, the user can select the Notes option and speaker notes will appear at the bottom of the page. If the user is more acquainted with PowerPoint, they are probably aware of the shortcut contained in the window footer. If the user navigates to the bottom of the screen, they can select the small Notes icon, which performs the same function of expanding or closing the speaker notes window. In conclusion, both forms of presentation software are highly usable in terms of building a presentation and adding notes to be used. However, Google Slides has a slight advantage in terms of intuitive options and is geared more towards novice users. PowerPoint is generally the favorite for technical and professional users because once the format is understood, it can be used to save time throughout. Overall, it comes down to the personal preference of the user about which format is preferable, as they both are incredibly usable to complete required presentation skills. So thank you for listening. This has been my presentation usability test. I hope this information helps you choose your presentation software in the future.